clothes are like falling down. You okay? Yes, that's right. Exactly how you said it. Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to do something that I never did before. Never. Capsule closet. Okay, what does that mean, capsule wardrobe? It means that I am going to minimalize as much clothes as possible from my wardrobe, separate everything that I don't need anymore, and just have clothes that brings joy for me. Just have clothes that I really love. Just have clothes that is comfy and it's in my style and it's not dated. I keep this stuff because I think just in case I'm gonna need them, just in case I'm gonna need the dress for like an event that happens, and my dress is just in my cupboard for like 2 years not touched. So I am going to get rid of all the clothes that I haven't touched in years and I don't really love anymore. And also the other reason is, have you ever opened your wardrobe and clothes are literally like falling out? You have like boxes tucked up the cupboard and then you still don't know what to wear, and you're looking for an outfit and you spend 2 hours just looking for something to wear and you're still not satisfied and not happy. Like basically when I'm gonna create a capsule wardrobe for myself, that means that every day I open my wardrobe and everything is clean and empty and nice looking, and I can find the items easily. That I can find the items easily, and the most important thing, I will always have stuff to wear. As that being said, let's start. Please hit the subscribe button, it means so much to us, and hit the like button if you love this video. And if you're going to stick around by the end of this video, I am going to show you my 5 go-to outfits from the stuff that I own. You're probably gonna hear Elias toy in the back, but don't worry, he's safe and playing and I'm watching him. Yeah, so this is basically how much clothes I own, and for some of you guys it's gonna be like, but she don't have a lot of clothes, so what is she talking about minimalizing the closet? But for me it's a lot, and have in mind that I moved 4 maybe 5 times in the past 5 years. So basically with every move you get rid of like a lot of stuff, and I want to minimalize as much as I can this time. Just purge my clothes, no regrets. If I haven't worn something for half a year, I'm probably not gonna touch it in the future as well. I'm going to get rid of as much clothes as possible from this pile. All of them are quite good. Some of them I used it for a couple of years, so probably I'm gonna get rid of them first. So the ones that I don't really like it anymore, I'm going to sell it on Vinted. I also have a couple of more vacuum bags of clothes down there, and then I have a couple of boxes, so I'm gonna go through them later when I finish with these ones. See, when I tell you that I have like an addiction, basically I love things that are cheap, and sometimes I just go to the shop and if I see something that is cheap, I would buy it just because it's cheap. It doesn't mean like I'm gonna wear it or not, I'm just gonna buy it because it's cheap. And so these jeans, like, I don't even know, like, will I wear it? I will just get rid of it. Okay, so this pile over here is the ones that I'm going to keep. This pile over here, I'm going to sell it on Vinted. And you probably have seen it already, my DIY project. So I done this jumper that I'm wearing right now. So basically I bleached it, and this is how it looks like. If you haven't seen it, then there is a video you can watch. And also what I've done, I kept these clothes over here. They are all black and probably all of them are jumpers, and I am going to do another bleach DIY for you guys. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day and I finished tidying my wardrobe yesterday. Leo is with Luca, so he's all safe and sound, and I just want to show you guys what I did with my wardrobe also. Basically today in the morning I woke up and I wanted a change, so I cut my hair, and yeah, so this is the situation. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's a vintage vibe for me. Okay, so let's see what I did with my wardrobe. Okay, so as you can see, I separated everything by color, and I have a black as my base color and then some neutrals, red, yellow, and denim. This is pretty much all of my clothes. Also, I have an outfit on myself. In a box down there, I separated my summer clothes that are just for summer to wear. So yeah, and this box over here, I have a lot of things just to sell on Vinted. Also, I was thinking, if you want me to create a video how I take pictures for my Vinted account, let me know in the comments, and I definitely gonna do it for you, because all of my old clothes I just bin it or sell it on Vinted. Also, I have this big bag over here, and unfortunately these clothes are going to the bin because they are damaged. Okay guys, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to stick around a bit longer because I'm going to show you my go-to outfits right now.